Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the equivalent circuit to the network shown below across the terminals. To the left of the terminals XY. So this is very simple, but some sort of confusion is there when you are having an current source parallel to an resistor. So this practical current source I'm going to convert into voltage source by using a technique called as source transformation. Just look out here. I am marking this node as X as well as Y. So between X and Y already I'm having an 4 ohm and an battery. So this is a 6 volts and this is nothing but 4 ohm. And again you are having an small resistor of 2 ohm, and the current is moving upward direction. This will be positive, this will be negative. So therefore V is equal to I into R. I is how much? 1. R is how much? 2. So the voltage is how much? 2 volts, and we need to find out the equivalent across X and Y. So this is an network and we need to find out the equivalents. That equivalent is V equivalent, and we need to find out the R equivalent. So this is what the question asks. So this is our solution, Milliman's equivalent circuit. So in order to apply it, the formula we have is V equivalent is equal to, so currents are flowing in this direction, therefore I can write down it as V1 into 1 by R1. Okay, again the current is flowing like this, plus V2 into 1 by R2 divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, and R equivalent is equal to 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1. Why? Because R1 and R2 are the two resistors I am considering. This is R1, R2, this is V1, and this is V2. So just I applied a general formula such a way that by using formula you can apply. So when the current is leaving, what is the leaving polarity of this voltage? 6 into 1 by 4 plus next one 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. When you solve it, then you're going to get the V equivalent is 3.33 volts, and here this value is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Then automatically the R equivalent value you're going to get it as 1.33 ohms. So just substitute here. V equivalent is equal to 3.33 volts. R is equal to 1.33 ohms. Okay, so this is our Millman's equivalent circuit across the terminals X and Y. So just if you can use this formula, or if it is very tough for you to use this formula, just write down voltage into 1 by R1, voltage into 1 by R2. This is all about the Millman's theorem problems. So if you feel my explanation is good and you're able to understand, please like the video and share the video with your friends, those who are watching the same channel. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section if you're watching for the first time. So kindly subscribe to the channel with the name KB Tulasiram. Please kindly support this type of free channels for the development of students as well as for the faculty. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next video. Yours, Ram.